Why transition from IT support to cloud or DevOps?
Cloud and DevOps roles are in high demand, offering higher salaries and new challenges. If you have experience in IT support, you already possess problem-solving skills and technical fundamentals. Shifting to cloud or DevOps allows you to work with leading-edge technologies, automate tasks, and contribute to digital transformation projects that power modern businesses.
Build your foundation, key skills to learn.
Start by strengthening your knowledge of Linux, basic scripting like Python or Bash, and networking. Understanding these core areas is essential for most cloud and DevOps jobs. Next, learn about cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, as well as version control tools like Git. These foundational skills set the stage for more advanced learning.
Certifications and structured learning.
Earning certifications can validate your knowledge and open doors. Consider entry-level certificates like AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, or CompTIA Cloud Plus. For DevOps, CI/CD pipeline courses and Docker or Kubernetes certifications are valuable. Online courses, boot camps, and official tutorials provide guided learning paths tailored to these roles.
Hands-on practice, projects and labs.
Apply your skills through hands-on practice. Set up cloud environments, build sample networks, or deploy apps using DevOps tools. Many cloud providers offer free tiers for experimentation. Creating a GitHub portfolio to showcase your projects demonstrates initiative and practical ability to potential employers.
Job search strategies and career growth.
Update your resume to highlight both your IT support experience and your new skills. Network with professionals, join relevant forums, and tailor your job search to entry-level cloud or DevOps roles such as Cloud Support Associate or Junior DevOps Engineer. With persistence and continued learning, you can advance to more senior and specialized positions over time.